Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something very different and cool. I'm going to be talking about this cap right here, and this cap's supposed to grow your hair. So when I first heard about this, I was so intrigued because you guys know I'm all about hair growth. I'm all about the health of natural hair. So when this company reached out to me and was like, okay, you want to try out this product? I was like, yes, hands down, I definitely want to try it and do my research on it and learn more about it. If you guys are interested, go ahead and keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so this is the LLLT cap. LLL stands for low level laser therapy. And this is like kind of my first time going in depth and doing my research on what low-level laser therapy is. I had heard about it, but I wasn't really that educated on the process of it or how it actually helps people who are going bald or even people who just want to grow their hair out. So this is by a company called Kiierr, and this is how the cap looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and share with you how to do it. Okay, so some of you may be wondering, what exactly is low-level laser therapy and how does it help to safely regrow hair follicles? So low-level laser light therapy was discovered in the 1960s by Andre Mester. Mester conducted a series of experiments on mice using this technology. The experiments were originally to see if the lasers caused cancer in the animals, which were shaved bald, but it did not cause cancer. It ended up just regrowing the hair faster on the animals. So low-level laser therapy is also known as cold laser therapy because it doesn't produce any heat. When you apply it, it's just cold, it's just normal. So it's a pain-free hair growth treatment, and the light from the lasers is what stimulates hair growth. So how does it do this? It basically claims that the application of the low-power lasers stimulates and enhances cell functions. So this process occurs when the laser light is absorbed by cells and stimulates their metabolism and protein synthesis. Okay, so this is how the box looks when it arrives. It basically comes with everything you need. So it has a cap. So this is the cap that you're supposed to put over the laser. And then we have a headband. We have our user manual with all the instructions on how to properly use the product. And we have the laser, of course, and this is how the laser looks. So it's pretty cool looking. All right, we have our USB cords, our portable charger, and of course the wall mount. So it's pretty easy to use. All you have to do is plug the wall plug into the USB cord and attach to the portable power pack charger. And when it's fully charged, then you can start the process. And then you're gonna go ahead and place the laser cap inside of the black hat. And then you can go ahead and plug the USB cord into the laser cap and make sure the portable power pack is connected securely to the laser cap. And then you can go ahead and place the cap on your head and make sure that the wire is hanging vertically down your spine and in the back of your head. So you're gonna do this for 30 minutes every other day. Don't do it more than that. And it comes with a built-in automatic shut-off timer. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, and most people see results within 4 to 7 months of use. Okay guys, so let me know down below in the comment section if this will be something that you will be interested in trying, this type of treatment. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at maryamhampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!